to encourage large investment, incentivize the newly established units and the units undergoing substantial expansion, the State Administrative Council, which met under the chairmanship of Governor Shri Satyapal Malik, accorded sanction to the notification of the scheme, namely the Jammu and Kashmir reimbursement of state taxes for encouraging large investments for industrial development. The weatherman on Wednesday forecast widespread rain and snow for 2 days from today, even as the mercury plummeted in Kashmir last night, with Srinagar, the summer capital of the state, recording minus 0.3 degrees Celsius temperature. Minimum temperatures improved throughout the state due to a night-long cloud cover as the 40-day long period of harsh winter called Chilai Kalan ended. At least 3 persons were injured on Wednesday in a grenade attack by terrorists on a police station at Damhal Hanjipora in Kulgam district. The grenade exploded by the roadside, resulting in injuries to 3 civilians. Security forces cordoned off the area and launched a hunt for the attackers. The natural cave situated in Trikuta Hills of Riyasi district was thrown open for Sri Mata Vaishno Devi pilgrims. As the cave is thrown open generally when there is decrease in rush, and the rush of pilgrims was not high, following which the cave was thrown open on Monday night. Colonel Ranveer Singh Jamwal, who hails from a village in district Samba, called on Governor Satyapal Malik today. Colonel Jamwal shared with Governor his views regarding promotion of adventure sports in the state and highlighted the need to frame a sports policy at the state level. Governor complimented Colonel Jamwal for his recent achievements in mountaineering, including climbing the highest mountains of all the 7 continents and climbing 6 mountain peaks above 6,000 meters in just 10 days. After remaining open for 2 days, the Jammu-Srinagar highway was closed again due to the fresh landslides and shooting stones at Rambun district on Wednesday. A traffic official said that the fresh landslide occurred at the Kela Mode and Monkey Mode, causing an inconvenience to traffic movement. Men and machinery have been pressed into the service to clear the road. Governor Satyapal Malik and the civil and security staff of the Raj Bhavan observed 2 minutes silence at 11 a.m. today to pay homage to those who sacrificed their lives in the struggle for India's freedom. A massive search operation is being conducted along the Indo-Pakistan border in Jammu and Kashmir Samba district for the 2nd day on Wednesday, ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the state on February 3rd. The army, police and other security force continue to search operation in Basanta River area in Ramgarh sector besides other border hamlets. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Jammu and Kashmir on February 3rd to lay the foundation stone of a host of projects, including the AIMS project at Vijaypur area of Samba district. The ongoing agitation of all J&K NHM Employees Association Jammu province over equal pay for equal work today entered 17th day. Hundreds of NHM employees drawn from various parts of Jammu and other districts of the province assembled at exhibition ground, demanding regularization of their services and fulfillment of their other already agreed demands. They staged a peaceful protest. Jammu University scholars and students today took out a protest rally against the state administration, demanding immediate revocation of its decision to not recruit new teachers until all current vacancies are filled, saying it would affect the prospects of educated youth of the state. On the 71st death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi on Wednesday, President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tributes at Gandhi Samadhi in Rajghat at New Delhi. Others who attended the Sarva Dharma Prarthana at Rajghat included Defence Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and Congress President Rahul Gandhi. Mocking at the alliance between the Bahujan Samaj Party and the Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh for 2019 Lok Sabha elections, Bharatiya Janata Party President Amit Shah on Wednesday said 2 UP boys had joined hands earlier also during the assembly polls when our workers crushed them, winning 325 seats for the BJP. a day after he took a dig at Prime Minister Narendra Modi over delay in appointment of a Lokpal, anti-graft activist Anna Hazare on Wednesday began his indefinite fast at Ralegaon Siddhi in Maharashtra. Hazare said the Modi government has been making excuses for not setting up a Lokpal at the centre and Lokayuktas in the state.